Hello designers, today I'm going to be showing you how to design interactive overlay in Figma. I'll be showing you two ways you can design your interactive overlay here on Figma using our prototype. Let's get started. So for this first frame, this is my first frame, so I'm going to be showing you how we can use this frame to achieve our overlay animation here on Figma. So I'm going to be using my top font. So that top font button is what I'm going to click on to achieve my overlay. So what I'm going to do is go to my prototype, go to the top font button. So I'm going to be linking it to this top up frame that I'm showing down here. So it's going to bring out the prototype option for me. So all I'm going to do is just to change my prototype option from navigate. I click on this drop down and I see open overlay. So you see open overlay, you click on your open overlay. Now this top up shows the frame that you are going to navigate to, the frame that is going to be overlaid. Yes, the frame that is going to be overlaid. Then dissolve, I want it to be dissolved, like there should be an interaction, little interaction. That's the dissolving. Instead of making it our usual instance, let's just try dissolving. Then ease out 300 milliseconds. Now you see this bottom center, it shows you how the overlay will come in. Do you want it to come from the side? Do you want it to come from the bottom? Do you want it to be in between, or in the middle of the frame of your design? So you pick the option you want. So I'm going to go with the third option. Then I'm going to change my color, and yes, I have my overlay. So I'm going to click on this cancel button and take it back. Same prototype option. So we have our overlay. That's for the first overlay. While for the second overlay, all I'm going to do is on the first frame, I'm just going to duplicate this. Then after duplicating, I'm going to introduce a rectangle. So this rectangle will stand in as my overlay. Then after introducing this rectangle, I'll bring in my top up frame and insert it on the rectangle. Then I'm going to work my prototype option. Now instead of our overlay, the overlay we used in the previous one, we're going to be doing straight up. We're going to navigate to. So instead of open overlay, just going to be navigate to. Then I'm going to prototype both sides. After doing that, I'm going to play my prototype. Now you see how it comes. For the first one, this is it, and for the second one, this is it. Prototype, this is what we have. Top up front. Then now you see our overlay. You see the animation, it dissolves. It's just not coming instant, it's just going to dissolve. So this is how it's going to be. And for the second one, the second flow, so this is how it comes. So you can both achieve your overlay using any of this step. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Don't